Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate how uh, Adobe Experience Manager Assets user interface uh, is navigable and accessible using a keyboard. And to demonstrate that, I'll take a use case of uh, browsing to the assets user interface, looking through the files and the folders in the repository, selecting a file and downloading it. I'm already logged in, so let's browse to the assets interface and see how it goes. I'm just gonna park the mouse pointer here and just use the keyboard. Also, the key sequences that I press on the keyboard are visible on the screen as I press them, so you know how to navigate to accomplish this use case. So few tab keys are gonna take the focus left to right and top to bottom, which makes for nice keyboard navigability. Uh, Use press return to select assets files. Now this default view which shows the thumbnails is called card view. Uh, it's not possible to use arrow keys to navigate through the folders here, so I'm going to switch to uh, column view. And in this column view, note another nice thing is that the focus is where we left it. So, and instead of going to the top of beginning of the page, which means that you don't have to circle through all these options again, and I can start where I left. So in just one tab press, my folder listing is selected. As expected, up and down arrow keys can be used to go through the same hierarchy, the same folder, the contents of the same folder, uh, and left and right arrow keys can be used to browse through the folders inside or outside the same level. So let's look at, yep, hiking is my favorite outdoor activity. Okay, so as expected, a new column opens up when I select an image, which shows some more basic properties of the image and a link to more details. I'm going to use the tab key again to open up more details of this image, and uh, it's taking some time. Okay, the second image is loaded. Uh, I'm gonna use the tab key to go through the options in the toolbar at the top and download this image. So now the control is at the beginning of the page, and pressing tab once brings us to the first option there, share link, and use the arrow key to select the download option, press return, and as expected, when we click or select the download option, this pop-up dialog comes up. Notice another nice thing is that the cursor is in the save as box, so I can start typing the file name right away. In this case, I'm happy with the default file name, so I'm just gonna uh, download this, and I see that there are 4 different rendition files that are catered for this asset, and it's easy to let's add the renditions to the download, and it's quite easy using uh, the tab key and the space bar key to select the rendition checkbox. So I've selected the rendition checkbox using spacebar and pressing selecting download here downloads the asset. So you see how easy it is to use a keyboard to achieve your basic use cases in Experience Manager Assets. Thanks.